respectable teachers, the audience, and my dear fellow students. I want to greet you with the Islamic way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
May peace, blessings, and bounty of Allah Almighty on you. My today's speech topic is Let Us Change Pakistan. My today's speech topic is extremely tricky one. But how? I ask myself, how? Then my creative faculty answers me instantly. Yes, dear, it is the tricky one. Because the two functional words are used here. One is Pakistan and other is change. My respectable teachers, ever since this universe has been created by Allah Almighty, everything has changed except the change itself. The whole universe was created by a Big Bang. The galaxies, the planets, the moons, the stars, the suns, and the black holes came into being. We are being intimated by Allah Almighty to keep an eye on these changes in the universe so that we recognize the greatness of our God. رَبَّنَا مَا خَلَقْتَ هَذَا بَاطِلًا سُبْحَانَكَ فَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ. My respectable teachers, our national poet, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, like other poets, Ruskin, Carlyle, and Matthew Arnold of 19th century, recognizes the power of change by putting the following couplets. Its translation is, peace is impossible in the working of nature. Change is the only constant in this world. My dear fellows, Pakistan is my homeland. It is the embodiment of the dreams of the forefathers and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Here I want to put the lines of Martin Luther King Jr. My homeland, for thee I sacrifice. My homeland, thou art the blessings of the prayers of my forefathers. Here lies the bones of my parents. For thee I sing songs and I die. We are passing through a critical juncture of history. With the inception of Pakistan, we have continuously been under trials and tribulations. Partly by our arch enemy India or by the great games played in the region. Alhamdulillah, we came out every time as a victor. My respectable teachers, let us change Pakistan. And I must start it from myself. I pledge that being a student, I'll devote myself wholeheartedly to my studies and I'll never ever break the rules of my college and outside on the road. I dedicate myself to learn new skills like e-commerce, freelancing and video editing to earn smartly for me and my country. My dear fellows, change comes from within. It is obvious that we must try our level best to change the pattern of our life to benefit our country. We must adopt simple way of life. We must keep an eye on our value requirements in our daily life. We must avoid extravagance in feeding and clothing. Simple choice of food, simple and less number of clothes, and simple choice of transport should be made mandatory. Our customs for marriage and engagement must be changed to facilitate common masses and eventually to our Pakistan. My dear fellows, we must pledge that we never harm our country and will be aware of youth columnists according to the advice of Qaeda made in 1948 in Dhaka. We'll fight for our country and will never ever go against the interest of our country. After all, we'll start change from ourselves and then Pakistan will be changed altogether. Your audience, one day we will rise. We lost good friends, great soldiers, shining intellectuals over the past years. It is our chance, it is our destiny, it is the time to tell the world who we are, who were our forefathers, and what was their universal vision. My dear fellows, let us change Pakistan. In a nutshell, all of you please stand up. Please stand up. Stand up. And raise your hands. Please stand up. Raise your hands and say yes to every pledge loudly. Let us make this land a pure, a fit place for living. Say yes. Yes. Let us educate our new generation to save our religious and social values. Say yes.
Yes.
Let us make our institutions professional and strong. Say yes. Let us strive hard to adopt the soft skills of honesty, truthfulness, bravery, and positivity. Say yes. The last and not least, let us change Pakistan.
Excellent. बहुत